Could your job be done by a machine? This question, once a far-off speculation, now inches closer to reality each day. Welcome to the future of work, where artificial intelligence and automation are not just buzzwords, but real forces reshaping our world. Consider the case of the automotive industry. For years, assembly lines have been automated, with robots performing tasks once done by human hands. But what's truly revolutionary is the advent of AI. In factories across the globe, artificial intelligence is not just assembling cars. It's designing them, testing them, and improving them. The result? Faster production times, fewer errors, and a stronger end product. Then, there is the healthcare sector. AI and automation are not replacing doctors and nurses, but rather augmenting their work. Machine learning algorithms can now analyze medical images, identify patterns in patient data, and even predict disease progression. These technologies don't make healthcare professionals obsolete. Instead, they provide them with powerful tools, freeing them from routine tasks and allowing them to focus on what they do best: caring for patients. Even in the creative field, a domain once thought immune to automation, AI is making its mark. Take, for instance, the music industry. OpenAI's MuseNet can generate 4-minute musical compositions with 10 different instruments, spanning a variety of styles and genres. It's not just creating music, but also transforming the way artists compose and innovate. Yet, alongside these advancements, lurk challenges. Automation threatens to displace workers, especially those in repetitive, low-skill jobs. The World Economic Forum estimates that by the mid-2030s, robots could replace up to 80% of these roles. This raises pressing questions about income, inequality, and job security. But it's not all doom and gloom. With the right strategies, we can adapt and thrive in this new landscape. Education and training are key. Workers need to acquire new skills, not just technical ones, but also those that are uniquely human, like creativity and emotional intelligence. Governments and businesses also have a crucial role to play in creating policies and initiatives that support this transition. So what does the future of work look like? It's a complex picture, filled with both exciting opportunities and daunting challenges. But one thing is clear: AI and automation are here to stay. They're transforming industries from automotive to healthcare, augmenting human capability and creating new possibilities. This video explored the impact of AI and automation on various industries, the potential benefits and challenges they present, and the ways society can adapt. It's an ongoing conversation, one that will shape the future of work and society at large. So as we navigate this brave new world, remember, it's not about replacing humans, but rather enhancing human potential. Because at the end of the day, the future of work is not just about machines, it's about us.